Hello everybody, welcome to 21st Century IAS Academy, Delhi's upscale meditational mentorship UPSC Confidence Covenant program. This is Goli Varsha. I'm sure you're taking the tests seriously and writing them consistently every single day. On this positive note, we shall see the test explanation for CSAT questions given on 18th of November 2023. Let us look into the first question. What exactly will come in the place of the question mark in the following equation? Which means this one. Okay. Now, if you see the right hand side of the equation, again, we need to follow the BODMAS rule. Okay. Please recall the BODMAS rule which we have discussed in the previous sessions. Okay. Now, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the precedence of order of operations that you have to do in a given equation. If all these operations, that is plus, minus, into, a bracket of and division, if they come in one equation, this is the order of precedence, right? Now, you have bracket here. So first you have to solve this one because in the order of precedence, bracket is the first one. Next, off. Okay. So 9815 plus 780. How much is it? 5, 9, 8 plus 7 is 15. So 10595. So 10595 divided by 65. Okay, because next is division, plus 45 square plus 1/4 of 1880. All right. So it is 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. 2 8 is 7. 4 sevens are 28. So 70. Now 5 13s are 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 9s. Okay. Now 13 ones 13. 7 80 81. So 6 times. Then 3. Then 39. So 163. All right. So 163 plus this 45 square is 4 5 20. So 20 25 plus 470. Now here you should understand one thing. Any number which has units digit as 5, if you're finding the square, then the square of that number would be 25 and these digits would be this number into the next number. If you didn't understand what I'm saying, just look at this one. 45 square, na? So units in tens digit, it will be 25. The other digits will be 4 into 5 is how much? 20. So 20, 25 is the square of 45. Likewise, if you're taking, say, 25 square. 25 square is how much? See, 25 is common in all these things and 2 3s are 6. 625 is the answer. Okay. So this is one trick you should know, or if you don't know, you've just learned. Okay. Now, see here, units place, all the numbers are different. So in this equation also, don't add everything. Just add the units place and you will get the answer. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now 8 is there in only one option. So C is the answer. Alright. So these are some tricks to save some time. Okay. What exactly will come in the place of the question mark in the following equation? Okay. Root over this into this divided by 81 and percentage of 300. See, we have seen in the previous sessions that percentage and 2 zeros cancel out each other. Why? Because 10% of, say, 200. What is 10% of 200? It is 10 by 100 into 200. So this and this will get cancelled. It is 20. Okay. Now, if you cancel this percentage and 2 zeros, you'll get the same thing, right? So this is one thing you have to remember. Percentage and 2 zeros cancel out each other. So here percentage and 2 zeros will cancel out each other. Okay. So this, whatever you will get into 3 is the answer. Alright. Now, here also you have division and you have multiplication. So first, in order of precedence, you have to divide the number. Alright. So it is root over 729 into 2916 divided by 81 into 3. Alright. So 9 9s 81, 9 8s are 72, 1. 9 1s are 9 9s. Okay. So this 9 can be written as 3 into 3 into 2916 into 3. Now 2916, is it a perfect square or not? We do not know. So when you do not know, what you will do? You will do factorization. Okay, 2916. So 2, 1, 4, 5, 8. See, 3 also you can take. Here I have taken 2. 2, 7, 29. Okay, and now directly 9 you can take because the digits are divisible. When you see the number itself, it is telling to you that I am divisible by 9, I am divisible by 9 because 72 and 9 both are there. So 9 8s, 72 and 1, 9 9s. Okay, so 2916 can be written as, how can it be written? It can be written as 9 into 9, 9 into 9, and this 9 split it into 3 into 3, and 1 3 you pair up with 1 2. So 3 into 2, and the other 3 which you will get from this 9, pair it up with this 2 into 2. So basically it is, or you can directly pair these two, 9 into 2, 9 into 2. Okay, so 18 into 18, and this 9 is here. This is 3 into 3. So 18 into 3 is how much? It's 54. Okay, so 54 into 54. So 2916 is 54 square. Alright, so if all the numbers come out of this root, what will you get? You will get 3 into 54 into 3. Alright, so it is 54 into 9. 54 into 9 is how much? 540 minus 54, that is 684. So 486 is the answer. B is the answer. Alright, yeah. Next, what exactly will come in the place of the question mark in the following question? See here, root is over 36%. Alright, so root over 36 by 100 of 9000 plus root over 64 by 100 into 9000 is equal to root over 7056. Okay, now 9000 you can take common over here. Alright, and what is root over 36? It's 6 by 10 plus 8 by 10 is equal to some x into root over 7056. Clear? Now, see, one way is 2 3s are 2 5s are cancelling that way. If you don't want to do like that, easier way is, see, 9000 into 6 plus 8 is 14 by 10. This and this will get cancelled. Okay, is equal to x into root over 7056. Now 7056, what is the scene of 7056? We have to do factorization. There's no other go. Okay, so 7056. The sum, see, the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So the number is also divisible by 3. Okay, the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, no? Here, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 1 3 3s are 3 1, 3 5s, 3 2s. Okay, now this one 5 plus 8 10 12. So this is also divisible by 3. So 3 7s are 21, 2 3 8s are 24, 1 3 4s are. Okay, now 4 1s 4, 3 so 4 9s are 36, 2 4 6 are 24. Alright, so 196 is again 14 into 14. Alright, so you have to be thorough with squares of numbers till 30. Alright, so this can be written as 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 14 into 14. So what all groupings can you do? You can do 14 into 2 into 3 into 14 into 2 into 3. So precisely the square root of 7056 is 14 into 2 into 3. Alright, now don't Now don't multiply this and write the answer here, because here you have another 14 ready to get cancelled with this 14. 14 will get cancelled, and there's 900 also. Alright. So 3 ones are 3, 300s are 2 ones, 2, 150. So X is 150. B is the answer. Okay. So just observe, whenever you're doing calculation, don't do it blindly. Is there any possibility of cancelling the terms? Is there any possibility of grouping them into sum of 10 or such things? Please be aware to save time. Alright. So B is the answer. Next, what exactly will come in the place of the question mark in the following question? 55% of 900, 300 by 16% of 6400 into root over 225. Alright. Here, the same thing, percentage and 2 zeros will get cancelled, percentage and 2 zeros will get cancelled. So, this equation can be written as 55 into 9 plus 300 by 16 into 64 is equal to x into root over 225. What is the square root of 225? It is 15. See, here also, this rule which I taught you, any number which ends with 5, if you have to find the square, you have to write 25 in units and hundreds place, and the rest of the number you have to multiply it with the consecutive number. So what is the consecutive number of 1? It is 2, right? So 1 into 2 is 2. So 225 is the answer. 15 square is 225. Okay, this is one trick I just told you. If you can remember, it will be good. Alright. So 16 1, 16 4 is 64. Now what is 55 into 9? It is 5 9s are 45, 5 9s 45 plus 4 is 495 plus 300 into 4. It's 1200 is equal to 15x. Now what is 1200 plus 495? It is 4 plus 2, 1695 is equal to 15x. Yeah, 15 ones, 15 1. So 15 ones again 4. 15 threes. So x is equal to 113. B is the answer. Now, next question. What exactly will come in the place of the question mark in the following equation? See here, brackets are given, off is given, division is given. In this BODMAS principle, bracket should be given first preference. So, solve the things which are inside the bracket and then come out. Okay. 7 inside the bracket again, you will give preference to 7 divided by 14, because D is first, no, then you will multiply. You getting my point? So 7 divided by 14 into 16. So 7 1s, 7 2s, 2 1s are 2 8s. So 8 is the answer for this particular bracket. Divided by, here off is there, division is there. Off should be given first preference and later division. Okay, so it is 16 divided by 32 of 2 is how much? It is 64. So 16 divided by 64 is, so it is 1 by 4. So this bracket is 1 by 4. See, if here I'll show you how you can go wrong if you don't follow BODMAS. See, in this particular bracket, if you're not following BODMAS, what will you do? You would do this. 16 divided by 32, no? So divided by 32 into 2. How much will you get? 16 ones, 16 twos, 2, 2. You will 2 cancel, so you'll get 1. If you're not following BODMAS and if you're doing according to whatever you feel like doing, 16 divided by 32 is how much? It is 1 by 2. In off means into, so into 2. So 2 to get, it will get cancelled, so 1 is the answer. This is wrong. You didn't give preference to off here. You have given preference to division over off, and this is going against this BODMAS rule. Now, I hope you got some clarity of how exactly you should use BODMAS. Otherwise, you will get wrong. You will get wrong answer. Okay? Now, we'll solve this. Now, you have to give preference to off over division. Okay, so it is 8 into 9 divided by 4 of 9 is how much? It's 9 4s are 36. Now you have to give preference to division over multiplication. 8 into 9 by 36. 9 ones are 9 fours are 4 ones are 4 twos. Now it is of the entire this particular bracket answer is 2. So this will, the entire thing will translate into 8 divided by 1/4 of 2. So you will cancel, you will solve this first because of should be given preference over division. So 2 ones, 2 twos. Now 8 divided by 1 by 2. 8 divided by 1 by 2 is 8 into 2. That is 16. Division, if it is getting converted into multiplication, it will become like this. Alright. So A16 is the answer. What exactly will come in the place of the question mark in the following equation? Okay, this one. Okay. See, observe the right hand side. It is given 2 into 2 whole power something and you have to find that number. Now this 2 into 2 can be written as 4 power some number, let it be x, plus 3. Okay. So with this, you will get a clear idea that on the LHS side also you have to convert entire equation into powers of 4. So that when bases are equal, see 4 power x is equal to 4 power 10. Then what is x? It is 10. So when bases are equal, you can equate the powers. Alright. So this is also one concept you have to be very clear. Now here, see, it is brackets are given. So we'll solve bracket wise. Alright. So it is 4 square whole cube, which means 4 power 6. The value of this one is 4 power 6. Now 512 divided by 8. What is 512 divided by 8? 8 ones are 8 6 are, and then you will get 3 4. So it is 64. Now 64 is what? 4 cube whole power 4, which translates to 4 power 12. Alright. Now 32 into 8. 32 into 8 is what? 32 can be written as 8 into 4 into 8. So this can be written as 64 into 4. What is 4? I mean 4 is 4 only. 64 can be written as 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 into 4 is how much? It is 4 power 4. So it is 4 power 4 whole power 4. Okay, this value 4 power 4 is the value of the numbers that are within the bracket, and outside the bracket there is power, right? So that is 4. Now put the division into. Now division has to be given precedence over multiplication according to board mass rule. So it is 4 power 6 by 4 power 12 into 4 power 16. Alright. So 6 and 12, how much will you get? Say 12 minus 6 is 6. So 4 power 16 by 4 power 6, that is 4 power 10. If you didn't understand what I did here, see, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Alright, so here 6 minus 12 is how much? It is minus 6. So a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. This also you have to know. So I've written 4 power minus 6 as 1 by 4 power 6. So 4 power 16 by 4 power 6 is 4 power 16 minus 6. That is 4 power 10. So LHS side of the equation, the entire equation, it is 4 power 10. That is equal to 4 power x plus 3. Now when bases are equal, you have to equate the powers. So x plus 3 is equal to 10. X is equal to how much? 7. C is the answer. Got my point? Okay. Now, what exactly will come in the place of the question mark in this equation? See, on the right hand side, he is given x power 1 by 3. Okay, so more or less you will understand that something has to be done on the LHS side, that is the left hand side, and you have to equate it to this one. Okay, that is clear. Now we'll come to this one. 161 by 377 into 1595 by 253 divided by 7 by 13. So if you want to change this into multiplication, what would you write? You would write into 13 by 7. Alright, and these numbers also you have to write in terms of product of these numbers. 13 and 7, so that it will be easy for calculation. Okay, now 161, how can I write? Is it divisible by 7? Very much. And it is 23 sevenths. Okay, so 161 should be written as 23 into 7 by this 377. Can it be written in terms of 13? We are just checking for easy calculation purpose. Yes, 13. If I write 377, so 13 ones, no, 13 twos are 26. So 26 and 11 will be there, 117. So 13 nines are 117. So 29 into 13. Now, how did I get idea that I have to write it in terms of 7 and 13? Because for simple calculation, here already 13 by 7 is there. So if I write the other numbers also in terms of 13 and 7, you will get simpler equations. Okay. Into, now 13 and 7 here we will cancel. Now how about these numbers? Can they be written in terms of numbers which are there in the denominators? One is 7, one is 29, the other is 13. So 1595 can be written as 29 into 55. And how about 253? 253, see, 2, 3 and some of these numbers is in the middle, which means it is a multiple of 11. Okay, so 11 into how much is 253? It is 23. Alright, into 13 by 7, this one, 13 by 7. Now it will be easy for you calculation, okay? 7, 7, 13, 13, 29, 29, 23, 23. It's fun, no? Cancelling these numbers, 11 ones, 11 fives. So 5 is equal to x power 1 by 3. X is equal to, if this 1 by 3 goes to this side, it will become cube. Okay, so x is equal to 125 is the answer. So C is the answer, alright? Next. What exactly will come in the place of the question mark in the following equation? Okay, this is 8th question. Now, 2 by 3 of this divided by root over 169 by 529. Okay, so this will translate to 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 7 by 11 into 2145 by 1288 into, now what is root over, see this division I am converting it into multiplication, so it will become root over 529 by 169. Got my point? So what is root over 529? It is 23. 169 is 13, right? So that's why you have to be thorough with square numbers till 30. Alright. So 169 to 13 square. 529 is 23 square. Okay. Now 5 ones are 5 fours are 21. So 5 twos 10, 4 9. Okay. 429 and 2 ones are 2 six are 2 fours, 2 6 are 12, 2 fours are 2 fours. Okay, and 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24 and 1. 3 ones are 3, 1 3 4, 3 3s 9. Now 143, the very famous number, and it will go in 11 table. 11 ones are 11 13s are. So whenever you want to say 143 next time, say it 11 into 13, so that you will sound more intelligent. Okay, yeah. Now 161, it will go in 7 table, right? 7 ones are 7 twos are 2, so 3. All right, now it is 13 by 23 into 23 by 13. 1 is the answer. See, the answer for this big equation, it's 1. Okay. Now this is given. What is the value of this one? Okay. See, this is more like a puzzle. Okay, but related to simplification. You have to find out the trend, what it is following. Now we do not know what this means, so we have to just check what works. So we'll put blank here. Okay, is equal to 8 and 7 blank 8 sum operation 3 is equal to 4, 10 sum blank Okay, 9. 9 some blank, 10 some blank, 5 is equal to 14. These are the things that we have. Okay. So possibilities are addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. Okay, mostly it will be addition. Okay, so we'll just see if it is plus and plus, how much are you getting? 8 plus 5, 13. Nothing is working. So 1 plus and 1 into, we will put 1 plus and 1 into. So 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Now 17 and 8, are they related? No, but it's showing that sum of the digits is 8. So this might work, a probability. Now we'll just check this for the other number also. I mean other equation also. So 7 plus 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 7 is how much? It's 31, right? Now 31, sum of the digits is how much? It's 4. Correct? So this is working for this one also. We'll also check for this. We're just cross-checking if this is working or not, if this logic is working or not. Alright, so plus into. 10 5s are 50. 50 plus 9 is 59. 59, sum of the digits is how much? 14. Yay! It's working for this too, this one too. So this logic is correct. The first one is of the first operation here plus and here it is into, and the answer whatever you're getting, you're taking the sum of the digits. That is the pattern. You've decoded the pattern, now apply it here. 3 plus 14 into 2. 14 2 is 28. 28 plus 13 is 41, right? 41. Now what is the sum of the digits? It is 5. So be very careful. In euphoria, you might just mark D as the answer, but it's not. 41 you will get, but you have to do the sum of the digits. So B is the answer, not D. Be very careful. After decoding the pattern, doing everything, if you mark the wrong answer, there's absolutely no use. So be very cautious. Take 2 seconds more. Absolutely no problem, because with the tricks that I taught you, you're anyway saving time in the other questions, right? So use that here. Next, each digit of a 8-digit number is 1. It is multiplied by itself. What is the sum of the digits of the resulting number? Okay, so he's saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there and each digit is 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And it is multiplied by 1, the same number. Now he's asking you, after multiplication, what is the sum of the digits? Here you have to understand one logic. You can do it directly also, but logically if you go, see what is 11 into 11 or 11 square? The digits are 1 and the number is multiplied by itself. It is 11 square, right? What is 11 square? It is 121. What is 111 square? That is, the digits are 1 and 111 is being multiplied by 111. What will you get? It is 12321. Okay. And what is the square of 1111? It is 1234321, which means whatever are the number of ones, you have to write digits till that number and the rest will be the reverse order. Not 4321. 4 is common. 321 you have to write. Okay. Leaving the last digit of whatever number you're getting, you have to write the other digits in the reverse order. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So what will you get? You will get the multiplication of this number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And leaving 8 aside, what are the other digits you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So leave 8. These digits you have to write it in reverse order. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the answer for 8 ones into 8 ones. Now what is he asking? He is asking the sum of the digits. Okay. Now what is the sum of the digits? See, 7 plus 3. I'm trying to group them into tens. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. 6 plus 4 is again 10. Right. So 20. So 20, you will get 25 with these numbers. So here also, you will get another 25. 25, 25. Alright, now this 8 you pair up with 1, 2, you will get 10, and 2, 3, 4, you will get another 4. So 25 plus 25 is 50, 50 plus 10 is 60, 60 plus 4 is 64. So 64 is the answer, option B. This is it for today. Practice these methods consistently, revise them, and you will be very confident about CSAT paper. Always remember, 10 questions a day keeps your CSAT fear at bay. All the best.